Ski! Welcome back to the channel, Sonny Squad. And if you're new, welcome to the channel. How y'all doing? I'm Sonny and this is Sonny Kicks. Alright, check it. If you're looking for dope sneaker reviews, one of the best on feet shots, how to finesse the kicks, whether it be how to style,
The best things since sliced bread.
or the best ways to lace them up, or of course any other sneaker related content, then you, my friend, are in the right place. Subscribe and join the squad.
Batter up, lyrics and home runs. I don't do this for fun, nigga. I'm Aaron Judge with it, tough with it. Burn it through paper as if a slug hit it. See you paid, now it's time to pay attention.
And without any hesitation, you already know what y'all here for. Today I'll be showing y'all an unboxing from eBay. And now this is my first ever eBay unboxing, and it's for a pair of sneakers. And in my personal opinion, this is the best dunk high of the year. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, now I have not hit on a pair of dunks at all this entire year. I went for the Syracuse dunk lows, the Kentucky pair, the red and white pair, the Brazil pair. I was really trying to get that Brazil pair, to be honest, but struck out. Didn't think anybody even wanted those. This pair I really did try to get my hands on, but I still took it out, and I was like, you know what? Before 2020 ends, I cannot not have this pair. Like, this pair of dunks needed to come into the collection, and be it this being the first ever Nike dunk in a collection, it's only right we had to do it this way. It's only right this had to be the pair. Without further ado, without any more talking, let's just cut it open. Let's get right to it. I'm sure I don't cut myself. And now I was a little skeptical with buying these shoes at first because the pictures and everything look amazing. The person had the box. They said they were brand new. Everything. As you can see, it literally came in the Nike box that they ship in. It was packaged up really good too. Yeah, it had everything that's supposed to come with the shoes. So, and I had sent them to multiple people to double check, and they said that they looked valid. And yeah. And yeah, let's take the box out of here. Got your, I personally don't know if this is the OG Nike Dunk box, but yep, here we have it, the Nike Dunk box, or just a regular red and white Nike box, I assume. But that's just, hope y'all didn't see the tag, but y'all probably couldn't read it anyways. But in a size 11.5, Nike Dunk High SP. Roll that back. Woo! Ah, yes. Yes. Woo! These dunks look long in person, but the Nike Dunk High Michigan. Finally got a pair of dunks in the collect. Oh, this feel nice. Oh my, oh my gosh. Oh, that smells good too. Yep, laces are attached. Whew. Wait. Okay, the shoe tree is in there. All right. It don't. So I'm guessing it doesn't come with a cardboard shoe tree. Got you. That's stock laced. All right. I'm just trying to make sure that these are actually DS'd and like the person didn't try them on or anything, because yeah, with these, nah, I want DS, not tried on, no nothing. These smell wonderful. These gotta be legit. I'm gonna double check them, of course, but these gotta be legit. Like, based off first looks and everything, they look valid. Make sure these are size 11.5. Oops, come on. Size 11.5. Yes, they are. Check the other pair. Come on. Yes, they are. I like how these feel. These feel nice. I like these. Is this why everybody goes crazy for dunks? Like, the quality on here is amazing. I mean, if this is why everybody going crazy for them, then I completely understand the hype. Like, this leather feels amazing. And the retail is only $120 for these. I mean, I didn't pay that. I paid $200, but still, like, $200 for these, it was worth it, because if you consider what resale normally is for dunks, it's like 300 plus. And then the fact that these like are a very close resemblance to the Jordan 1s, and those retail for 170 now. Resale on Jordan 1s typically go for like 220 plus. So yeah, 200 on these. It was like, honestly, I didn't have a problem with paying this, especially because it is an OG colorway. These dropped with that Be True to Your School pack. This is the Michigan Wolverines pair. And yeah, I had to have these. I really like this pair. I tried for them. I took an L, but I couldn't let the year go out before grabbing these. I couldn't do it. These are hard. Now, these were scaring me because I was first looking at prices on them and whatnot, on like Go app and whatnot. They were around that 205, 207 range. Then literally every day I kept looking at them. It's like they crept up $1 or $2. On like Go app, they're now like 227. StockX, they were like 215. But honestly, StockX is really gonna be my last resort until I check eBay. Getting fake sneakers from there is like, if you know, you know. As long as you're careful, you're good. They got the whole PayPal protection on there. So I felt safe buying these. So I had to pull the trigger at this moment. I had to grab them right now. Yeah, but nonetheless, for a first pair of Dunks, these, I like these. These are clean. These are tough. And of course, with the unboxing of my first ever Nike Dunk in my collection, like legit, I've never had a pair of Dunks before. My older brother did. He's honestly the one that put me onto Dunks. Shout out to you. I had to do my research on Dunks because I'm not trying to be one of them hype beasts that, you know, just buy a pair of Dunks just because everybody buy them. Nah. Had to start it off right with a classic, a OG colorway. And now, of course, y'all gonna get that review coming soon. How to style? I might do it. Maybe. I don't know. Also might mess around with the laces and the lace system. Do a how to lace dunk highs for y'all. I don't know. Maybe. We'll see what's in the works. But yeah, great way to start off the last month of the year. And yeah.
Hello, it's me, I'm the local to dawn. Giving you bars and you ain't getting born. Locked in the cell in your mind, I've been here for some time.